Hi there! My name is Cameron Montgomery, and I was the producer of the film Blue Skies on Mars, which shot a few scenes in Pembroke last year. I'm going to be making my directorial debut shooting a children's movie this summer, all shot in the Ottawa Valley and primarily in Pembroke. So the cast is mostly children. We've got a few roles for the sort of primary under 10 age range. Then we have quite a few roles between sort of 9 and 12 years old, and then a couple roles for teenagers. There's going to be 2 professional actors playing 2 adult roles. So for all the kids who will be involved, there's going to be a kind of acting boot camp during the week of August 11th to 19th. So the kids will come in the morning, we'll work all day, and then we're going to stage a production August 18th. And then on the 19th, I'm having a whole production crew come and shoot the whole thing as a movie. So it's going to be pretty awesome. The costumes are amazing. The makeup artists are amazing. The crew's amazing. It's going to be a lot of fun. There's going to be music, dancing. The cost for amateur performers is $45 per day for the boot camp, where we're preparing children for acting on stage and then ultimately in film. So it's going to be pretty exciting. Please share this video with anyone you know who's got kids who are dramatic and creative who would be interested in being involved in this production of STEL and the Violin. It's about a family where they've lost their mother, and then there's also this fantastical journey through a kind of fairy tale land, and it's a tale of self-discovery. It's going to be a lot of fun. So I hope to see you there. And if you want to find out more information, you can go to Studio Dreamshare on Facebook. You can email me at studiodreamshare@gmail.com, or you can check out my website, www.studiodreamshare.com. Get in touch with me. I would love you to be involved. If you're an adult and you're interested in this, we need some adult volunteers. And the next production after this one's going to be a horror movie. So we're going to need an all-adult cast. So please don't hesitate to reach out and get in touch. Thanks a lot. Bye now.